guys, Cheri from The Watering Mouth here. Just gonna try to do a real quick video because I have an interesting proposition for you. So I have created, first of all, as an announcement, I have created a 5-recipe PDF for you. This one is not free. You know, I always give out free PDFs in every video, and this one I'm trying to actually make some money on something because these are some of my favorite recipes. They are 20-minute meals that you start to finish. You can start cooking and be done with them in 20 minutes and have a full, wonderful Nutritarian meal with lots of the G-bombs, the mushrooms, the onions, the greens, all these wonderful berries and these great foods that are so good for us. So I created a PDF with 5 of my absolute favorite recipes that just take 20 minutes to make. So hopefully you like this one. Now this PDF is only $5. 5 recipes, $5. You're on your way out the door. That would be amazing, right? That's good enough. Hopefully they will become your favorites as they have mine. So check that out. But the exciting opportunity that is also available in this video is that I'm also including the ability to donate a little bit as well. So if you get the PDF, that's great. Thank you so much. $5 will go a long way, especially if like 500 of you buy this thing. It would be really, really helpful for me. But I'm also creating sort of a fundraiser with this video because what I'm doing in the background, like I'm making you 1 video a week, 1 amazing high quality eat to live video that helps you on your journey, because that's my passion. I've been doing that for free for a long time, and now I have some really wonderful patrons who are helping me do this on a monthly basis. But what I want to do in the background, and what I'm already doing anyways, is I'm creating a product. Because I'm at this journey, you know, I'm in this point in my journey right now where I feel this blissful peace about eating. I feel this blissful peace about being a Nutritarian, about feeling, you know, truly on my game here, and I want to pass that to you. So that's why I do the coaching, right? I do Eat to Live coaching and I love it so much, but I want to be able to touch a lot more people all at once. That sounds bad. Do you know what I mean? I want to be able to impact a lot more people at one time so that I can give some of what I've learned over the years and how I've been able to kind of get to this place of finally feeling like I'm here. And so I want to pass that on. So I'm creating a course that I want to be able to help people in this exact same way so that I can pass on some of my knowledge. But in order to create this course, I need a babysitter because I cannot do this with a 9-month-old tearing around my house. I'm already paying for a babysitter. I'm already working on this. I'm already committed to this for you guys. So this will come out whether you donate or not. But what I would love is if you might find it in your heart to subsidize a little bit of this babysitting. And my patrons on Patreon have already decided to do this on a monthly basis, and I mean, beyond grateful for that, because that to me is such an amazing commitment to this message, to this, to my goal, to my dream, to bring this message to you. So thank you, patrons. I mean, from the bottom of my heart, it means so much. But there's just one little opportunity with this recipe PDF that I'm giving out for you to donate on a one-time basis. There's going to be a link that you can click. So what I want you to do is get the PDF, $5, you're done. You can be on your way if you want. If you also would consider donating a little extra, that would be so helpful. And my babysitters charge $15 an hour, right? And at this point, I'm only able to pay for 4 hours a week of a babysitter from Patreon. And so what I'd love to do is be able to work 2, 3, 4 days a week without having to worry about all of this money coming out of my own pocket. So that's all I'm going to say. This is a fundraiser. I would love if you just get the PDF. That'd be amazing, because if 500 of you did that, man, I'd be looking pretty good right now. But if you'd also consider just donating a little bit one-time basis, I'd be so appreciative, and it would go a very long way. So thank you for listening. I know that pleas for donations are not the funnest thing to listen to, but you guys mean a lot to me, and I hope that I mean a lot to you. And I hope to be able to keep creating this amazing content for you as we go and help you find the peace that I have on my Eat to Live Nutritarian journey. Okay, so let's support each other. Let's keep this thing going. And thank you so much for watching. Really, I mean, this means a lot. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.